pumpkin spice, and everything nice. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe's in the other room and Bandit's at home, but if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. I have a fall Fabfitfun box. So I was so excited, came in today. I'm filming this on August 6th. I hope to get this out for August 7th. And let's get into this box. Fabfitfun is a lifestyle subscription box. It comes out quarterly. However, they have a lot of sales in between. And if you are an annual member, you can customize the entire box. There are different categories and you can choose one from each category, and you can even add on things from those categories as well if there are extras. So this is my fall box. I'm going to give you a sneak peek. They did throw in some Ricola Throat Balm caramel flavor. Oh, that's new. Got your Hello Fresh. Got your little game. I don't even recall this being a choice item. I mean, it's cute, but I don't even recall this being a choice item. There's a big pocket in the front. This definitely wasn't any of the curations that I can recall. It's a set of 3 packing pods. These might be my tag-alongs, yes. Alright, so here's how they look. There are 3 sizes. By Fabfitfun is the Protein Power Bond Mist. By Living Proof is the Hair Strengthener Triple Bond Complex. This by Summer Fridays is a Lip Butter Balm in Vanilla. There is how that looks. And by Citrine is a set of 2 spice jars. Okay, so there are 2 jars like this. There's the inside. The inside is glazed. The outside is quite rough. I actually expected them to be much smaller than this. I mean, this is a fine size. I just expected that they would be smaller for spices, but they'll get use. I do have some add-ons in here as well. I did add on the Alice and Olivia bag, the striped one. They had 2 different ones. One of them was just a bit more than too much for me as far as like patterns. There's a lot going on. And these are good size bags. I still use my Daisy one from I think a year or so ago. Little zipper on the outside, little pouches here. Just thought that was cute. I added on the jump rope because my daughter wanted it. So here is that 2-in-1 digital jump rope. I think this was a boost to my box. It's the Perricone MD Cold Plasma Plus Eye Cream, and I think it was some ridiculously low price. Here it is. And then my toothbrush refills. Okay, so that is the first Fabfitfun box that I've got in so far for the fall season. Let me know your thoughts, and please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. I do have a code down below if you've never tried Fabfitfun. It will get you some money off of your first box, but only if you do it seasonally. If you do it annually, I don't believe it saves you any money because you're already saving money with the annual subscription. All right, well, thank you so much, and hopefully I'll see you soon.